Mhm. Hi, guys. Hello. And welcome to my live. Wee! Ready na siya. Ready na saan? Ganda ng episode ni Pan. Diba? She's crazy. Pan is crazy. That's why I love her. Cutie mom. Ayan. Gandang gabi, everyone. So, let's have girl dinner, which is mango. Girl dinner. Siyempre. Mhm. May board meeting na naman. May board meeting na naman. Gusto niyo yon? May board meeting na naman. Ayan. Wala. Guys, so nag-stop muna ako ng filming ng evangelism because I have a new studio and I am filming a new content. So it's still a podcast, don't worry. We will be guesting different celebrities and iba lang yung format ng konti. But I just want to challenge myself. Yeah. So, kahit nga si Marina, hindi ko pa na sa evangelism. Pero, don't worry. Business meeting na naman ba? Yup. Ayan. So, have you guys watched the new episode? So, yeah. In fairness, we had so much fun filming that. Actually, nakainom na kasi si So, Pangina filmed that episode with Bekeneman first. Nakailang baso na siya ng red wine niya by that time. So, in fairness, naka-keep up naman ako. New podcast, Crying You're So Generous. Alala. Like, hi! Oh my God, look who's here! Oh, you wanna talk about Mama? Let's see if she'll this tapos you'll upload it on YouTube. Hey, Pan! Oh, you've already dyed your hair black.
Do you know what's
Hi!
crazy?
What? Let's have a live reaction.
This
Or
is
you can watch
so
it first. It's so nice.
crazy. I haven't finished watching it, but it's so crazy because I saw you on live. I was like, I am going to terrorize her.
Watch it first and then I'll wait for you. Go.
It's an
Internalize it.
hour.
Yeah. That's how much you talk.
First, fuck you for choosing that photo, the comedy photos, and using my picture as a unicorn eating papaya salad. Even my sister's laughing.
Well, choices. Choices. But it was such a good episode. I loved it. I was laughing the entire time.
Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna go finish watching it. I hate you. Bye. Love you.
Bye. Mwah. And what we would not tell Pangina is that once she's done, I'm gonna end this live. So mag-aantay siya. She's gonna be waiting for someone and I won't go live. Smart. Ganyan talaga. Mag-aantay siya mag-live tapos wala siyang kausap. God, that's crazy. Oh. So di-DM siya, Eva, go on live. And I'll be like, no. I don't think so. Sorry to 160 people watching. He was like, sorry to your parents. So, by the way, we're already sold out at the potluck. So, thank you so much, everyone, for an amazing Christmas. Thank you so much for an amazing Christmas show. We're very excited. Are you coming to North America anytime soon? I don't think so. Because your laugh sounds like someone starting. A moped? What? Sounds like someone starting a moped. What does that mean? Ha! They want to see the Grinch, that's why. So we have a Christmas show. We're very excited. And I think we're gonna have another special guest early this year. So this is, I think, for the first Playhouse is gonna we're gonna have our first moped motorcycle. Okay, noted. Noted. This is the first time that I'm getting international Rue girls. Oh no, well, okay, let's count Pangina in. All I want for Christmas is you to shut up. Okay, this is my second international Rue girl since Pangina. I'm gonna get another international Rue girl next year. So fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Hmm. Why would I shut up? This is an Instagram live. Shut the fuck up challenge. Pangina is so pissed because, we should have a podcast. Pan pan. Ah. Mm, I'm having mangoes. Mangoes! Sana yung taga Mexico or Espanya yung Galavano. IG Live board meeting. Okay, it's time for another board meeting. Ano na naman siya? Your mouth is so big you can eat not just the fruit but the whole tree. Wow, that's huge coming from you. Have you seen yourself in the mirror, Pangina? You do not have a mouth. You are a mouth that had a body. You don't have a mouth. Your mouth have you. Crazy. La la la. So, where was I? I want to go back to Bangkok. I want to go shopping with Pan Pan. I love Pangina because she brought me to this mall. Where was that? Watergate. And then she told you are a body that has several rice cookers. Oh, you want to talk about body? I just read your recent IG story, Pangina. Sexualized, crazy. They're just making that shit up. They really don't want your face. They probably don't want to see your face. Where was I? Where was I? Oh yeah, Pangina brought me to Watergate, and then she told the sellers that this is my friend. So I got really great deals from that shop. Ayun, I just wanted to share that in spite of how Pangina looks like, she actually has a kind heart. There is like some semblance of kindness in her. Yes. Ayun lang. Mother, isang good luck dyan. Good luck! And don't fuck it up. Yep. So, guys, are you following me on IG? Anong tawag dun? Anong tawag dun sa Twitter ng IG? Threads. Threads. So, are you guys following me on Threads? I'll be updating myself there. Masaya doon. Although mamimiss ko yung mga tite sa Twitter, um, I think I need to find a place where I can, safely dispense my brain farts. without, um, ang gulo kasi ng mga tao sa Twitter. Crazy. Crazy. Ma, have you seen the new Hunger Games trailer? Meron? Para saan? Ang aga naman ni Vina and Atisa. Maaga saan? Totoo ma, it's time to install it again. Bakit? Naghahanap din ba kayo ng titi sa Twitter? Magaganda nga ang quality ng ano. Paulit-ulit na lang ang mga titi sa Twitter. Sa thread meron naman. Ay, alam nyo, talagang yung ano ko eh, no? Sayang, imagine, matapos ninyong palaguin to 100,000 followers yung Twitter ko, bigla ko lang iniwan ng ganun. Sino bet mo sa MU? Yung MU din ako. No, I don't know. I don't know, girl. Hindi ako masyado mahilig sa pageant. So, hindi ako masyado aware. Parang, hindi kasi talaga ako bakla eh. Nagbabakla-baklaan lang ako. So, hindi talaga ako magaling hindi ako maahilig sa mga pageant, Miss Universe na ganyan. Pasensya na guys. Maanong titi? Yung ari ba? Ayun. Oo nga, iniwan mo kami sa kanala. Pasensya na sa lahat ng mga troll farms ko. Yung mga troll farms na follow sa akin dyan sa Twitter, huwag kayong mag-alala. Imo-mobilize ko kayo ulit in 2 years time pagpasok ng presidential elections. Magba-block voting. Yung mga followers ko sa Twitter, wag niyo munang i-delete yung mga fake accounts ninyo. Magba-block voting tayo at magto-troll tayo kapag kailangan na ng bansa. Okay? Umuwi ka naman. Di ka masamay nang wala ka doon. Gamitin natin yung thread. Tandaan nyo, ha? Babalik ako. So, yung mga nasa Twitter, pagtanggol nyo lang ako pag may mga bashers ako, okay? Wala lang akong bashers, parang feeling ko, masyado yung tahimik yung buhay ko. Parang hindi ako sanay. Gumawa kaya ako ng away. Ang tahimik ng buhay ko, nakakaloka. What if humanap ako ng away? Sinong gusto nyo, talakan natin para sino ba? Sino bang pwede nating awayin? Ha? Oh. Miss ko naman nireplyan mong titi sa feed ko. O, diba? Luminis yung feed ninyo. Luminis yung mga feed ninyo nung hindi na ako lumalabas sa Twitter. Yes. I-unfollow na lang kita sa Twitter, ma. Ay, i-all caps mo pa. Si Valentine Rosales, ano na naman? Ay, oo nga. Oh my God. Nabalitaan ko yun. Totoo ba yun? Your drag is still smoke break. Your breath still smells like a smoke break. Favorite moment. Now, there's more favorite moments there. What? Pangina! Pangina! So, ayan. Hindi pa sila tapos. Ayan. Guys, may mga in fairness, ang dami mga nag-invite sa akin ng mga schools. So, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, may TED Talk ako next year. How many mangoes do you have, Jesus? I don't know. You can ask Jesus. Duh. I'm not Jesus. Finished. I finished, I think, like around 4 mangoes. Eva for Deped. Deped. Deped Pekek. Deped. If I'm gonna be the new chairman of Deped, I'm gonna add more words to it so that it will be deped peke. That mango you've been eating, you're dragged not so much. Oh, you wanna talk about drag? You're too sexualizing. Hey, you sexualizing drag queen. Evie for Eva for DBWH. Yes, I should be a DBWH. Ano bang project natin sa DPWH? If we're gonna be with DPWH, gagawa tayo ng slides. Yeah, get Alma. Ma-release ka ng merch, may trabaho na ako. Oh yeah! Nakakatawa naman tong Robert Henry. Sabi niya, hello Robert. Nang hello siya sa sarili niya. Nakakatawa ka naman, Robert. That is so funny. Eva for president. Mama Panjana, who's your number one for Miss Universe? MU. Are you a fan of Olivia Dean? No, Olivia Dean is a fan of me. Eva likes to be roasted, but her bangs are fried. Really? Says your lace. We will never forget Pikachu. Pikachu Pangina is your peak is your peak drag Pangina. Imagine. Imagine this. So, Pangina wore that yellow wig and that triangle there. Imagine she put that triangle there and then looked into the mirror and said, okay. She fucking looked into the mirror. I'm sure she looked into the mirror and said, alright, this should do it. Ah! Pikachu was memorable. Where's Charizard now? Still, well, they didn't even know. I don't even know. Where's the rice cooker? At least Charizard was not in my body. Pikachu, yellow wig, and she look at that. It's like she went. I really did all right. Ah, I love you, Benchina. You and your stupid choices. I love you. All of you. Ah, you ate Charizard. Oh, you smell like Charizard. Do you guys want to see Pangina in one of our shows? I think no. Pan Pan, I think you have more followers than me, so I think I do my own makeup now. What else? All right. You know what's funny, guys? There was this one time, one very random morning, Pangina sends me a video of her filling her oats on her camera and said, "Bitch, I did my makeup." When we were in Taiwan, I was like harping about it. I was like, really? Look at this bitch. You are Magikarp to be useless and flopping around. Yeah. You imagine not the story. And then she was saying like, okay, I'm gonna she's doing her own makeup now. I was like, all right, girl. I was like so proud of you. Ah, I've been reading her when we were in Taiwan. I was like, look at this diva. Someone else doing her makeup. And then she's always like, yeah, I can do my own makeup. It's like, yeah, work, diva. I just love playing with Pangina. 'Cause I love playing with Pangina because I used to be scared of her. And then I realized there's nothing to be afraid of other than that face. Really. Once you get over that face, I hate your face so much. All right, so proud of you. So passive aggressive. Ay, Pangina, look, you crazy, crazy Pangina. Well, ayun lang. It's just, is she, I-invite si Pangina. Pangina is still watching the YouTube podcast. You look so happy right now. Your energy is so light. Yeah, and also look at my house today. It's like it's so aesthetic. Aesthetic. It's so aesthetic. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's like just purples and oranges. All right, back to watching the episode. Go ahead. Yep. FaceTime pero naka-off cam yung isa. Super pretty ng house. Y'all, look at my space. I love it. It has all those, ayun o. Nakikita niyo ba yung mga kiwi? Ayan. And then meron akong poinsettia because it's Christmas. It's Christmas. Yes. Isn't it fun? And guys, I'll be more active on TikTok ha. So follow me on TikTok. Wala lang. I just discovered I love lip syncing. I love dub smashing. Ayun lamang. Love your lamps. Aesthetic. Alam nyo, kakanood ko sa TikTok ng mga sellers kung ano-ano na yung mga nabibili ko. Pati ito, I even bought this like lamp here. Ayan, may paganyan pa ako dito. Aesthetic. Kakanood ko ng TikTok. The thing about TikTok is that I don't think lumipas ang isang araw na wala akong binibili. Lagi akong nabebentahan. Eva iPad Kid, true. TikTok dance. Evangelism with Mama Pa. Yes! Actually, iba. So, ngayon may studio na ako, pwede ko nang invite si Mama Pa. Dati kasi nahihiya akong invite kasi dati yan yung evangelism set. So, parang nakakahiyang invite si Mama Pa sa bahay ko. Parang baka masabihan pa akong kalat-kalat naman ito ni Iba. So, ngayon na meron akong sarili kong studio, invite na natin si Mama Pa. Ayun. Yan. Tsaka also, we have more exciting shows coming up. So, 2026. So, supportahan nyo na kami. Bigyan nyo lang ako ng pera. Hindi naman sa lamps are so pretty. 'Di ba? Parang walang magbubukas ng white, walang magdi-direct lighting, walang overhead lighting dito sa bahay na 'to. 'Di ba? Except lang dun sa kusina at na merong track light. Ayun lang naman. So, di patayin nga natin yung track light. Nakakasira siya ng vibe. Ayun! O, di ba? O, di ba? Mas okay na yung vibe. Ayan. Kamusta ka, Miss Eva? How was your HU headquarters, Jensen? Oh, that was so much fun. Alam mo, ang daming pogi sa Jensen. Kaso mga straight. Ang saya nung, guys, I just have to say, ang saya nung HQ sa Jensen because it's not really a gay bar. And it's the first time that I saw, kumbaga, a co-ed bar where everyone is just having fun. Like the straight guys, the straight girls, and the gays are having the time of their lives. And it's just, ang saya. Ang saya din pala ng ganun. Ang saya rin pala makakita ng ganun. So, sana makakabalik ako ng Gensan. I think, baka bumalik ako ng Gensan. Fingers crossed, I hope to be able to launch a new Playhouse Protege tour this year. Sana masama yung Gensan sa ano. So, sana mas maraming cities na yung mag-participate sa Playhouse Protege. So, watch out! Because there's gonna be a Playhouse Protege show very soon. Nueva Ecija. Malubog na ba Evasius? Hindi pwedeng lumubog si Evasius kasi yung nararamdaman namin ni Precious sa isa't isa. Totoo yun. Hindi lulubog ang Evasius kasi talagang nagmamahalan talaga kami. Ano ba kayo? Walang lulubog sa amin dahil mahal talaga namin ang isa't isa. Hindi na nga lang sa fan service. Sa totoo lang, parang hindi na fan service. Hi ma, nagka-award ako. Kumuha ako ng kunting details sa damit mo on dry season. Wow, congratulations! Oo, totoo yan. Nalalaglag na ako sa kama. Tanungin niyo yan si Precious. May feelings siya talaga sa akin. Ay, at may feelings din naman ako sa kanya. Ay, kinikilig kayo. Alam ko. Di ba, bagay talaga kami. So, nasa na nga ba tayo? Anong gusto yung pag-usapan? Global warming. Ayan. Anong say mo sa brilyante ng apoy sa HQ? Oo nga, meron ako. Ito pala sila bakla. Kayo pala yan, bakla kayo. Oo, meron ako nakawakang akala ko pang hilod. Tapos biglang may mark. Ano pala siya? Brilyante pala siya ng apoy yan siya. Akala ko pang hilod lang. Yan, alam na alam niyo talaga kung paano kami kunin. Buwahaha! Tapos bigla mo kaming iiwan. Grabe ang jump ng topics. Di ba? Okay. Kailan kaya ako mag-show ulit? Parang, yung mga shows ko kasi parang laging malalaking shows. Namimiss niyo na ba ako sa bar? Gusto niyo bang magmaliit na show din ako? Parang, namimiss ko na din yung mga, intimate na shows lang. Kaya masaya ako sa Arizona Bonding eh. Kasi sa Arizona Bonding talagang kalmado lang, tas close lang, ganyan. Ang hirap din kasi parang, sige, pag ninilay-nilayan ko kung gagawa ako ulit ng mga shows. Ha! Tsaka parang gusto ko namang mag-show sa labas ng Maynila. Intimate naman. Ayan. O, di ba? Kulay red. Green. Pakitang gilas naman. Pinapakitang gilas naman masyado may ganyan ba kayo? Oh, wala kayong ganyan. Sabi ng mama ko, fuck. Oh, balik natin yung white. Pasan na yun. Ganyan. Ay! Ano ba yun? Sobra naman siya sa pagka-touch, ah. Middle kid talaga sagot dyan. Middle kid, ang dami na kasi nagsha-show sa middle kid. Siyempre gusto ko ng mm. Nasa ng yellow basket. TikTok seller eh, no? Basket number, ano yan? Item number 85 yan sa yellow basket. Check out na po, mga madam. Ayan. Pag natapos, sa konti na lang po itong live ko, 15 minutes na. Pag natapos itong 15 minutes ko, balik na po tayo sa regular price. Mawawala na po tayo sa ating discount. So, para po sa inyo, para po hindi sumama ang loob ninyo, mag-check out na po kayo, mga madam, sir. Mag-live ka dun more sa TikTok. Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba ako mag-ganon? Diba? I-check out nyo na po yan, madam, sir. Ito po yung bago nating tumbler. Ganyan. Ito po, madam, tignan niyo po itong notebook natin. WICKED, tapos ito po, stretchable na po yan. Stretchable po yan. Kasha po dyan, small to medium. Check out niyo na po, mga madam. Di ba ganun sila? I love it. Tapos, lagi ako nabibiktima ng mga ganun. Parang syempre dadaan lang sila. Halimbawa, may bagong pantalon. Syempre, mapapanood ako. Sa totoo lang, araw-araw ata ako may parcel. Parang lagi ako may bagong sando, kung ano-ano. Meron ako laging bagong sando, bagong pantalon, bagong shorts, ganyan. How was Wicked for Good? Ay, guys, ang ganda ng Wicked. Mhm. Mhm. And I've seen Wicked in Singapore and in Broadway in New York. Ang ganda ng Wicked ay pamain malaking lampara. Alam mo yan, lampara na yan, guys. Pinilit ko yan. Kasi hindi yan ganyan. Kasi hindi yan ganyan dapat. Parang binebenta nila yung kulay black na ito, binebenta nila to separately. Ito. Tapos itong parang ano na to, itong parang spring na to. Binibenta nila to separately kasi dapat nakahang yan na ganyan. Hindi talaga sila para sa isa't isa. Tapos, kung ano-ano ginawa ko sa IKEA, tinanggal-tanggal ko yung mga display, ganyan. Tinanggal-tanggal ko yung mga bombilya, sinisilip ko yung ilalim. Tapos sabi ko, you know what? I'll take the risk. Tapos, nung tinake ko yung risk, puta, hindi siya kasha. So, ginawa ko, basta may ginawa ako, may ginupit akong karton sa ilalim para lang magkasya siya at niroskas ko siya. So, you know what they say. Once you kill a cow, you gotta make a burger. Why are you wearing Beyonce hair on an Ariana Grande song? Well, that's true. You said that. Yeah. So, pag sinilip niyo yung loob, actually, hindi pwedeng masyadong galaw-galawin yan. Kasi hindi naman talaga sila para sa isa't isa. Oh my gosh, nandito si DJ Mikey. Hello. Crush ko yan eh. DJ Mikey. Hello. Ayan. Pangina is called mix and match. Yes. Pamain sa naksalamin. Pabalik-balik sa Pangina. Alam nyo, guys, ilipat ako sa TikTok ha. You know what? 11 o'clock na eh. Parang dapat manood na ako ng anime ko. Parang dapat manood na ako ng anime. I think it's time. Guys, share ko lang sa inyo, marunong na ako mag-drive mag-isa. Ah! I have been driving on my own, pretending he's beside me. Ganun. So, marunong na ako mag-drive. Di ko alam kung mag-share ako ng videos. I love our episode. Of course! Of course, it's our episode. We have like Pangina and I, we have like a yin yang energy. It's like I'm the good energy and she's the other one. But how will we describe our energy? Me and Pangina are like um a ginger cat and a black cat. We're like both cats. What anime? The healer that got kicked out of her party was actually the strongest one. Something like that. The weakest healer that was kicked out of the river is actually the strongest one. The Japanese, they don't hold back on their titles. Ang hilig sa isekai, oo, actually puro isekai yung mga pinapanood ko. Although may bago ng season yung Natsume's Book of Friends, which is one of my all-time favorites. Super nice. Ma-send mo na sa broadcast channel mo. Ang alin? You two are like an instruction on how to cook rice. Oo nga pala, mag-end lang ng live. So yon, manonood lang ako ng anime. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye!